Imagine enjoying Valentine's Day without sabotaging your diet. Yes, it's possible. Let's explore how Valentine's Day, a day of love, often translates into a day of indulgence. But for those of you who are committed to staying on track with your low-carb diets like keto or carnivore, indulgence doesn't have to mean derailment. It's all about making smart choices. And today, we're going to help you do just that. We've compiled a list of 10 healthy, low-carb, no-sugar foods that you can enjoy this Valentine's Day without a shred of guilt. These foods are not only delicious but are also packed with nutritional value and fit perfectly into your low-carb diet meal plan. So, as you prepare to celebrate the Day of Love, remember that taking care of your health is one of the greatest forms of self-love. And with these 10 fantastic foods, you can do just that. Stay tuned as we dive into the specifics of these 10 fantastic foods. First on our list, non-starchy vegetables like spinach and kale. These vibrant greens are packed with nutrients while being low in carbs and sugars. Spinach, for instance, is a great source of vitamins A, C, and K, magnesium, iron, and manganese. It's not only low-carb but also high in fiber, making it a perfect addition to your diet. Turning our attention to kale, this leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's loaded with compounds that are beneficial for your heart and can help lower cholesterol levels. Plus, it's a fantastic source of vitamin C and K. What makes these non-starchy vegetables an excellent choice for low-carb diets is their versatility. You can have them in salads, sautés, smoothies, or snacks. They can add volume, color, and most importantly, a ton of nutrition to your meals without adding unwanted carbs. So, next time you prepare your meal, don't forget to add a handful of these green gems. Moving on to unprocessed meats, a staple in any low-carb diet. Foods like beef and lamb are not just delicious but also packed with nutritional value. They are a great source of high-quality protein, which is crucial for muscle repair and maintenance. Not only that, but these meats also provide a wealth of essential nutrients including iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. Iron helps transport oxygen throughout your body, zinc boosts your immune system, and vitamin B12 supports nerve function. So, if you're on a low-carb diet, these meats can provide the energy you need without the carbs. Unprocessed meats also offer significant health benefits. They help maintain muscle mass, support a healthy immune system, and can even aid in weight loss as protein tends to keep you feeling full for longer. But remember, quality matters when it comes to meat. Choose grass-fed or organic whenever possible. It's a small choice that can make a big difference in your health and your low-carb journey. Next up, olives and mushrooms, a perfect pair for your low-carb meals. Bursting with health benefits, olives are a fantastic source of heart-healthy fats and fiber, while also being low in carbs. They're packed with antioxidants which can help protect you from harmful free radicals. Now let's talk about mushrooms. This humble fungus brings a whole lot to the table. They're low in carbs and calories but high in a variety of vitamins and minerals. Mushrooms are known to boost our immune system and may even have anti-cancer properties. They're a great source of vitamin D, something many of us could use a little more of. Plus, they add a delicious umami flavor to any dish. The pairing of olives and mushrooms can make for a satisfying and flavorful addition to your diet, providing your body with essential nutrients while keeping your carb intake in check. These tiny powerhouses are not just tasty, but incredibly nutritious too. Now let's talk about eggs, fatty fish, and avocados, the holy trinity of low-carb diets. First up, eggs. They are a wonder food, loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. One egg contains 6 grams of high-quality protein and all 9 essential amino acids. They are also an excellent source of choline, a nutrient that's crucial for brain health. Plus, they are low in carbs, making them perfect for a low-carb diet like keto or carnivore. Next we have fatty fish, your best friend when it comes to omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are heart-healthy and can help reduce inflammation. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are also high in vitamin D, an essential nutrient many of us lack. And the best part? They are virtually zero carb, so you can indulge in your favorite fish dish without any guilt. Last, but certainly not least, avocados. These green gems are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and a host of vitamins and minerals. They are notably high in potassium, a nutrient that's often lacking in modern diets. Plus, they are low in net carbs, with the majority of carbs being fiber. This makes them an excellent choice for those on a low-carb diet. All 3 of these foods, eggs, fatty fish, and avocados, are not just nutrient-dense, but they also help keep you satiated. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber in these foods helps slow digestion, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. This can help curb those pesky cravings that often come with dieting. So, if you're on a low-carb diet, don't shy away from these foods. They are not only delicious but also packed with the nutrients your body needs to stay healthy. And remember, a diet doesn't have to be a punishment. It's about nourishing your body with the right foods, and eggs, fatty fish, and avocados certainly fit the bill. These foods are not just packed with nutrients but also keep you full for longer. Last but not least, berries, almonds, and black coffee, the ultimate low-carb treats. We'll kick things off with berries. Bursting with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, they are a guilt-free indulgence for those on a low-carb diet. They are naturally sweet, so they can curb sugar cravings without spiking your blood sugar levels. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries can be enjoyed fresh, frozen, or even blended into a smoothie. And while they're low in carbs, they're high in fiber, making them a great way to fill up without filling out. Next on our list, we have almonds. Almonds are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and a range of essential nutrients. Almonds can be a satisfying snack, helping to curb hunger pangs between meals. They can also be used in baking or cooking, adding a crunchy texture and rich flavor to your dishes. Plus, almonds have been linked to a wide range of health benefits, from improving heart health to supporting weight loss. And then, there's black coffee. Now some of you might be thinking, coffee, really? But yes, it's true. Black coffee is a low-carb, no-sugar beverage that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. It's packed with antioxidants and can give your metabolism a boost. Plus, the caffeine in coffee can help enhance your workout performance. Just remember to keep it black. Adding sugar or cream will increase the carb count. So there you have it. Berries, almonds, and black coffee. These three foods are low in carbs, high in nutrients, and incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them on their own, incorporate them into your meals, or use them to create delicious low-carb desserts. And best of all, they're not just good for your waistline, but for your overall health as well. These foods not only satisfy your sweet tooth but also provide a host of health benefits. So, there you have it. 10 healthy foods that won't derail your diet this Valentine's Day. We've journeyed through the verdant fields of non-starchy vegetables, savored the robust flavors of unprocessed meats, indulged in the Mediterranean delight of olives, explored the earthy goodness of mushrooms, cracked open the versatile world of eggs, swam through the nutritious seas of fatty fish, basked in the creamy richness of avocados, tasted the sweet tang of berries, crunched on wholesome almonds, and ended with a refreshing sip of black coffee. This Valentine's Day, let's remember that indulgence doesn't have to mean compromise. With these 10 foods, you can celebrate love and health in one delicious meal. We'd love to hear about your Valentine's Day food experiences in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Shape Squad for more informative videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends.